Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another edition of EDU 600, Research Methods and Techniques. On Monday, April 21st, we start Module 13, or week number 13. And as you know, we only have 14 weeks in this class, so we are in the final stretch here. This is really the last week that there will be new materials introduced, and you will quickly see it is not that extensive. Now, and a particular importance of this is I do ask for the final paper a paragraph or two about, okay, as the result of studying these 6 articles, your 6 articles, what would you do to find out something else concerning your topic? And I'll have more on this probably next weekend, but when you're reading through the materials this week, keep an eye on what you might do moving forward, what kind of research, meaning action research, which in a very simplistic term, it's known as practitioner or action research. I tend to think of it as action research. It is a less formal type of research, a very practical based type of research where you're trying to find out the answer to something. It could be, you know, I've seen it used often, and I've used this methodology many times throughout my career to find out information to solve some kind of issue or deepen an understanding of a certain problem that we may be having. So I encourage you to read. Now I'll get right to the material. So you're looking at the video right now. Understanding various types of practitioner action research. You could use both of these terms. Understanding the steps in conducting this type of research. Read Chapter 13. Visit this site. There's more information here. And there's a really good chart that contrasts action research with traditional research. I'd like you to read this article right here, Trustworthiness, and then actually there's a discussion forum. So this week I cannot stress enough, do not put a huge amount of work into your final discussion forum. Read the article, and what I'm asking for is, in what ways is this article similar to or different from the methodologies that we've previously discussed? So that's it. Keep it simple, keep it short, and, you know, do the usual. Do your original post by Wednesday, and then a couple posts for commenting or discussing with classmates by the end of the week. So that's it for me. For those of you that do celebrate Easter, I hope you have a wonderful Easter tomorrow, and I will see everybody online next week. By the way, I will have everybody's comparison matrix graded by this Friday, and that will be important as we move forward with your final assignment. So that's it for me. If you have any questions, any concerns, please reach out to me, and just know that I am, as always, here to answer your questions. Hope you have a nice Sunday or nice remaining part of the weekend, and who knows, maybe people have had a chance to get outside today and enjoy the 70-degree weather. Long overdue, but I've been outside for a few hours at least, and it is I want to say well-deserved for those of us that have been in Maine all winter. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the materials this week. Bye, everybody.